Hello, everyone. Hello, my lovely people. How are they, guys? How are they, my people, my people? Hello, everybody. Hello, hello. Please share this video, guys. Mommy, hope don't waiting for YouTube. Oh, but I'm not vex. I just still relax. Now, no as they be. Now, no as they go now. I just still relax, my people, my people. Now, no as they be. No easy. Please share this video, guys. Oh yes, my people, my people. How not say good evening, everyone. Good evening to you all, guys. Good evening, good evening, good evening, good evening, everyone. Oh yes, my people. How not say share. Oh my lady, yes. So no, now sometimes they still need to look beautiful. It's time to check time. I know I see they go now. Oh yes, my people. How not say please. Let me share my beautiful people, my beautiful people, my people, my people. Good evening, everyone. You're welcome, guys. You're welcome, my people. Oh, yes, so it has been a while, right? Yes, of course, now. I just still like try yesterday. I just relaxed. Now I see the go now. Oh yes, my people, how not day? I hope not day fine. Please share this video, guys. I hope not day well. No time to check time, my lovely people. Good evening to you all, my beautiful people. Good evening, my ladies, my beautiful men in the house, our big mommy, our big daddy. Good evening to you all. Please, the help I just need right now is to share this video. No. No time to share time. I don't know as they go now. Yes, now thank you guys. Una look beautiful, sef. Una look beautiful. Oh, our big mommy in the house. Una look sweet. No time now. Now so. Yes, so mommy, hope I twirl for you. I greet now, my beautiful people. So guys, share this video. I know as they go. I no time to check time. Good evening, morning, good afternoon, wherever you are watching me from this Vera television program. Why my YouTube name is Vera TV program. Bing. Oh yes, my people, I greet you now for una time. Wherever you are watching me from with una time right now, I greet you and appreciate you now so much. I greet and also I don't miss me small. I start go enter for YouTube, Jare. Yesterday I was like, my man day off yesterday, I beg. Day first than yesterday because they work Monday to Sunday. So now inside weekdays they go holiday. So I just decide to I beg make I rest. I think I rest to my people. I know as they be now. So my beautiful people, how not tell guys? No, as they go, no time to shelter my lovely people. When I see my Ogboga message for there as they go. Although I did not come out, I never do live video, doesn't mean I know they see the Ogboga update when they go, when Kokobiri wife, you're the colo, you're the solo choirs. He's salo boy. Korean lovely, yesterday give her to twice, my people. So my lovely people, please share this video, share, my lovely people, share this video, guys. So my people, Kokobiri wife, I know say if we come where, you know, fair get shit for her. Me, I know they hear, not they using that they throw mat they give people. Yeah, not they do one because you now that they see you now, nobody tell you now say what they do now, not good. Nobody advise you now say may you enter house what they do now, you not good. Please share this video, guys, because I they see the Ogbonge matter be say they go, man, you are gone forever. So in case if you want to comment rubbish comments, I block your head. You are gone. Bye. Don't need to shout too much. So my people, Kokobiri wife, come. Why it be say you just turn you know why he gwine for her? You just turn tortoise when not the finish for bush. Emmanuel bueno. I don't fair tell you that they know they use it that because you. I don't see the type of person when you be. Now the kind way when this Victor yesterday do they go. So now you fair your city starts. Me not see the better thing. Hook up market now. Me hook up hook up now they go on again. Hook up market. It don't buy you. You know they see market again. Okay, hook up okay. Can you imagine my people? Because you know they see who come the husband mama. We not call the husband mama again. Kokobiri one year kokobiri. Kokobiri see get kokobiri Zimbabwe. I'm saying not be personal, but depends on where you go put yourself and yeah. You will see the same mat where they are mean where they are goma. I'm gonna share this video, my people. Where they mean where you goma. In a lovely again, a lovely Kyoya, the barrister. Our barrister now you see they get mat, you see they carry your mat. You know, I know you. Now you see they carry record, they carry this one. The way you take come outside, cut a disgrace of self. Now you carry as you take do a share war, as you take your life. What am I like? They never ask you when you begin to vomit, when you begin to talk nonsense. Am I not well now? Lovely Kyoya. You know, say you know they like truth. Because if they tell you truth now, you are a baby elephant. Una they do ganya. You they go now. Una tise una be offer and no make una tise una day on top. But you know now, as I tell they deal with you like say tomorrow, no day. Mother of 4 nations, nation still get nation. Our own not complete. Nobody be like can. Only our own. They say see different papa. But our own are your different nations. Jineke na mezoko. My people, by the one, they don't say before. Now our women go born for black. Then they'll cost you Yibo when you want to do the way when you go abduct the pikin, when you go use the pikin, it's on you. Then you go carry the pikin, you go meet to Yibo, you go stay, you train the pikin for Yibo house. Now so we they see many when I don't see now so. But nowadays, like people like Rita, now my beautiful people. Now Oyibo don't break a side mirror. Now black, go give. Where Kokobiri go put it for us before? Kokobiri never married this woman. Oh. Kokobiri never marry. Kokobiri never marry. Come. Kokobiri never marry. You understand? Kokobiri never marry. He just did that they fool herself. No, say lovely. Now see they talk on the way it be they talk through because the way she takes start, not be so the rest people take start. She start with saga, shook mat for here, shook mat for here, shook mat for. It won't come away. Make a time when any man him you know I'm a view western we are going because he got me over Germany time only can't go as well. It may not take away Germany Rita. He got boo. And I won't back. They make man for social media. The do me and you go jump for ordinary ground. You will not say kaki not be led that day. I swear way. Jamie me we she have boo hands now because who called the war? I shower no war mu were boto. See God shame this woman not get. My people. If another person now born for Kokobiri, he no go hear word. Kokobiri still get Kokobiri, mother of 3 nation, 3 country. I bet you're born like 4, join them. You know say that 6 or 7. So that made you give you a word. As to take born for different tribe, different country. Because this one will not be one. We'll see say okay, now this is Nigeria, Yoruba Igbo. So you all not be like that too. Or who wear your own. Now 3 country, your country where what be no ya ball lawe be or walk yang where. Where I move where, and then me I take with the gem, Nikian boo, ya market, go market. Not be the one they do they do like how they use something terrible. No, not be back to the top of social media. If you don't see woman like you for ground, you go call they shut up your mic because your man they do sha. No ya bashawo. My people, 3 country. Now this woman I ain't born for. Country see they get country, my lovely people. Hook up. If hook up money finish, Kokobiri guru. Yes, the Kokobiri, Kokobiri there as he say, Kokobiri run no good. Kokobiri not there as now single mother she be. If I ball out a to go bijou. If I ball like you bijou na shower no mama era no danyo diku. If I ball out we vera bijou bu kia. Memen we at se bona fimo me kamen we at se bona na edime. No bell. You they talk, you know you let social media rest. You the Frank Victor, they don't let person your rest. If music about that now you get matter with person, does that mean that everybody with your neon and not go get peace of mind? Anybody with your neon and not go get rest of mind? When you are rubbishy, okay, Kokobiri, but ball like beera no danyo diku. Papa be droker. Not polikulele, ya girl papa. You know, boss, show your papa has, don't know Timevo. Ekwemagu we show weru weni ana bege wema papazi ogyogu moto ogyogu ogyogu moto we papa they drive. If you see moto, it be like moto they carry dirty for where they carry plantain they come out for a siphon. Mo papa. On why ti be gbe me. E de mi a deku e je mi a zo bourgeois o. Omo na muria. A shawo mu e dag muria. Can you imagine? Get out for you. Didn't target just when they give person. Can you imagine? You don't have the fool herself up and down. They fool herself round. You're the fool yourself up and down. Can you imagine? Can you imagine? What talo they play record your mouth me nyama. Ashishi, when you do, you know they come outside, they tell people how you take do a shower, how you focus it break your side mirror. Wait a minute. You know they tell people how you focus it break your side mirror. You know they talk. Wait a shower no mama. Why have a basha? What was to say? A shower where you don't ashishi. You don't use and do. My people, best way if you do ashishi, you don't get what if you use and do. Wanna ask her what if she achieve. Or for how many years? More than 30 years when my dad te use and do a shishi work. All the good vitamin when he did this useless woman body. All the vitamin A, vitamin B, vitamin D. And madam loya phone my bon lara visual. I don't tell you, you they use that your dirty director they talk because I me have take with Germany. Those are people when they say they ask me whether I feel mass shooter. It's all see that day. You understand? Not be by to the make match for social media. Not be by to the make match. Here you people know I may be. I can't know I may. Can you imagine? How many years now, bro? See my heart. See my heart. Look. If you not see this woman heart. Oh, don't pa. Bleachy cream. Please share this video, guys. Bleachy cream don't finish this woman. Now you they wear tear clothes the entire life after many years now, bro. Madam, use your life on a lower dark mofo. Have you ever seen me, my people, wear because of another person matter? She's the only presenter we have seen when if I tell people presenter and a proco you can't do for social media. He go carry front of shirt, back of shirt, come from carry front, go back. Now only one doesn't wear tear cloth, come live video. Only she. How many people you don't see? Only she. Now she don't wear tear cloth, come live video, come the fool herself. Look at some clothes, some see whether a sweater go call when this woman they wear, come live video. Not be safe for man, she no go let me wear them. Or long when we go take wear that cash, I better not show my face or show my body, better pass. Because you think say you are fooling yourself. Oh, wow, to wear no wear fully wear. If you see shirt with this woman, they wear go say this woman is like she's losing it. He go say person need this thing therapy. What one need the therapy? If they never tell you are the one that need that therapy. Like seriously, bleaching cream or bleaching. So much change when she still they get it. They use and say they buy bleaching cream, they rub. Your old age, there is no how you can rub cream, my dear. As far you don't hold. When Peggy face me, you don't see my face. Eh? Thank you, my darling Juliet, Jare. I too fine, Jare. Oh, the old mama, your giddy old mama, don't they cry? The Cocobiri, not the raw cream again. Cocobiri, show your face. Cocobiri. The cream, don't they cry? They follow this imbecile. The cream, don't they cry? They follow her. Please, don't rub me again. Please, I'm ashamed. Please stop rubbing me. I'm tired of you. Oh, body don't. Can you imagine, my lovely people? Now you see the game I said they talk to barrister Kyoya. When he be say body still clean like say tomorrow not day. Eh? Your children see me winning. Now your mates they both pick be like lizard. Am I who wear ye be mono in our sick balloon? Where mu wear? If I wanted a beer on mass or who wear. Me wanted a beer fine, but who wear because I shower my web with them. Eh, by me where ye rack me like a gui. At your age, a baby where you rack me little talking. Oh, we were no, it's 10 years, 11 years zero at your age. Still, different father is not the issue right here. Three country, una be in the country ha, wokpa. Where you mean where ya go? Maybe maso we na. Because when you continue it like this, you will end up in giving birth to about 200 men, different men, different country. Yes. 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 You will end up like that because the way they go right now is fat. It's out of it. It's out of it. You see matter they talk to person when see born you put for one place. Emmanuel we go on it talk by love like you are not my people. Love like you and one man born the children give you. One man think one man not be even if you see born for different man say okay different man. They say okay Igbo Yoruba Hausa Calabar. Yo na not be Calabar Igbo Hausa. Oh where you born for 3 country. Hi! Chineke na mezoku. Uwe for men. Awa muweri ya settle down awa mu dagmeru we ju ejuwe. Awa muweri ya keko kwekeri ya zenri. Uweri ya zen kekore. Oh ye love when what do mana ye guana. Kokobri is not Kokobri mu wejo wani. Kokobri is still going to it don't already dump you now. Now why you not go work? When you born for 2 country, carry can't give a molomo, you born one for a make it 3 country. Okay, you expect the man to what to take care of mono Mike and uke mure. No, we are made the man called they suffer for sin when no commit. Made the man called they suffer for sin when no commit, Abby. Eh? Yes. He's getting to 54 years. Oh no, if you never even pass. My people want they look here. That's the reason why you see she's using cream. Oh. Don't think maybe she carry they use cream. Why should they use cream? Because when she black, it's going to worse and worse. That's the reason why you see her always bleachy cream about light which work boazaka. Omona muria as echo wekeri azeri. Azenwenia opianomu. Oyibo ko see break your side. Oyibo still get Oyibo. Oyibo will see come abroad come find life. All of a break with side mirror. Where you get go when ya? You have man to talk to love like Kyoya. Love Kyoya children are boy. You don't see love Kyoya children. Okay, never see them. Oh, you for not say the time when my dad tell use your life. We tell you something to ashishi. You for not say your own already finished. Yes, now that's in the passports now, of course now. Because each country have their passports, of course. Yeah. Yeah, she's right. Of course now. No. You don't get country, you don't get their own pass now. Tiri koko. Tiri chugbe. 54. That woman don't hold. Oh, human. Oh, human. Can you imagine? Love your children, my people. Love your children don't grow. And not only grow, if you say, now one man born for Nigerian man as that. Oh, where you don't even born for Nigeria, not pay me. Una bien evo here. You are born like this work, but no gagia. No zaga. When I move here, when not ya zeke kore. Each time I went at the Miami where the Jimmy can't go hands down. Better, Imana bue, uwe vera me. Ya must to bue. Wazaga. Omona muria. No, that day, you people should listen. Not the one where so presenter go do. And can't knock me for front. And there your way, that your mat where they make papa. You will carry phone, give person made a video. Yeah, make sure say a buno or bobuno away. I share one on mama to say in one boy away, man. Not a shower no way. Waga home or carry no worry. A madame de panadol, no do a worry and worry. I will be at oh, one year do, man. I shower ne kokobiri. No, one kokobiri be. E mani puma beg boy ya and a mansion they get estate. In your ashishi, nothing comes out of it. Mother, in mama when they carry a corn, use all the vitamin A, go rich vitamin Z. Mama, you use. Money they say pay give mama, it reach 300,000 euro. When she pay, go give mama. Aso. The one that is paining me right now, she will come on social media claiming smartness. When mama, when they carry you, call, use you, pay 2 times. You might take bogojo, me imagine now. And my dad with me, here the river. He got belta yeke. Oh, me. But your own call, he use you, make sure say he finish all the vitamin. You go see they say, person TOT me wara. Your TOT, they make you not see. Feko Ibo enter they run leave you. Nigeria enter, he run leave you. Kokobiri still enter, he does still run. Why not go wrong? Please go and share, Jare. Why she not go? Why you not go wrong? Why you not go wrong? It must run. Definitely that one out dururi. I tell it they call it dururi. It must run. I mean, let's why if not like show the wardrobe when this I show a cloth come out. So there not be one trouser, one shirt. This I your house for them. But like you can't use yourself. They compare responsible women when they get husband. Because they use yourself. They compare responsible men and women. Responsible women say when they don't pop when they one for ne when they see ball for one man. Don't you know you're supposed to go and hide yourself because we are disgracing women? Which advice do you have to? Which advice you get to give women? Kokobiri mama. Which advice you get to give person? Is it first person when if made first mistake say, oh, he made first mistake, he be no one ball for 2 men. Oh, okay, so it can't be like that. You want to settle down. Now, which advice, which good and correct advice do you have to give them? No, just call him about Lara Visuegbe. You they see they make my which advice you get when they see they listen to you. Oh, your bought 5, bought 10 from one place more better than you. Because when the children grow tomorrow, they're not going to find their papa. If you don't know me, you all know. They will never be running up and down. They go Cameroon, they go Zimbabwe, they go Kenya and go they find their papa. Is their own. Even though now one, good evening, you are welcome, Jerry. Now one, all of them don't say they are the same father, but your own now, you end up not be even 2 for 1. No, it's not that you even born 2 pikin for 1 man. Your own now, you're the born like Lisa they go. You must reach 20. You must born the whole country free so that may you go carry Guinness Book of Records. Where what be here for where what be go born for all those this Arab, all of them, you are free, born for them. So that may you go collect Guinness Book of Record. I go escort you. If you don't know road where you go pass, go take collect Guinness Book of Record. Me go help you contact them. If I will help you contact them so that no you just let's say life away for her. Now your pikin they see me when you like lizards. A ban you when you maybe where you be although would me, but maybe must away. Like seriously. You get money, you are wearing to take clothes, enter live video. They wear to this thing. You will don't come abroad. You are mega lower for the Germany. Now when a batter. It's not better to come outside that. He got lower. And then a salon bo here boo. Need take with the Germany. Imana cool bourgeois o me. It's in woman. I will lock you up in UK. Where will we lock him up in the Germany? My boy Lara Visuegbe. Oh, I'm more vera you. Imana bijoué. Ik mamana gbera bijou me. Are you mad? I want to go very if you talk to me. Imana cool bourgeois na die we talokian we me. Ya be mio de me buebe. Uzuo. You think I get time for all those rubbish? He said, I'm waiting for her to fall. People like you too, will you withstand me in talk or anything? Am I Beyonce? Yoruba say, they never born you where? Where we stand in talk? Now they do my pa. Asoti oti bi. Eruwe we gba me kwa one ganu totaji. When na muria. Wa bol lara vi jouer go azar. Ah well, I don't forgive. Oh, beg you when they forgive. Oh well. And I don't fair ready fight. You not fair ready go. Now they say, because you beg me, I not go knock again. Oh man, if I want knock, I go knock. Even though they beg, what can I go? After I don't punch you, that time I feel on the listen to her beg. But Lara visual. Oh man, where you say your body they hot? Satasidia policeman. It is not to call the top for live video. I'll mash you down, mash your hands down. Who's what? Asha wonu gbe magbe o, but wa dan me akulo boy ravi joao. When all the azen veko. We now you go say that one shop push for belle. To where the azen veko. We that be told. Azen we veko madana lowe. Ah we yemonu. You get mad. I will back you for back. I go use you do saga. He back where you can. He is a you know bwe. You don't know. Don't you see my beautiful skin? I mean, we are time me no gbe. Mega luwe. So come on, the ravi joe talo yan vo edo. Akmangri bicycle when your the drive for the man gbera. Wa bola we gbe. Wa zara. Omona muria. Can you imagine my people? You the talk pra like say you be odunga. No. You for say Vera, if I see you, I will mash you down. May I tell you where we forgo me body, mo go feed. Mana bueno, imana bueno ne bank no vie nana to adi ravi joueta lo ken we gen me. Iga igwefo. That Sirelo ma bi Zimbabwe me go they use you they find where you dey. Adi we ta lo ken. Wa gbel. You look me like woman that we talk to. You look me like I am we gugu nyama. Damn me. Na by Toreko. Ya bue. Uzuo. Dirty she goat. Very smelly. Look at the kitchen you are cooking. You never go watch my video when I tell they cook. So, you never go watch my video when I tell they cook for kitchen. Go YouTube now. You they miss. Very dirty thing. See where you they cook. Ah, Jesus. But why you don't get shame? Go to my YouTube. People when they watch me for my cooking video, they say, ah, Vera, you they try, you they neat. When we are, we connect who we are. Who they were talking about, we are. You are bola ravi jouer. He ravi jouer making a more bogbe. Because me ayi me tie bonu we do we gbe. You are bol fear kun lelu. Omona muria. Can you imagine? See what she not get. Amen. Pla. Okay, my people, waiting lovely. Cause still do one now. Waiting lovely because that one now you still talk put. Hey, you don't just still versa. You don't define audio up and down. Why can't you mind your business? The most painful part, my people. This lady, she know how to bully people. She know how to use indirect to people. But when you tell her one, you remember making mates. Okay, no wuria. Can you imagine? If person not get rest of mind, my people, only you want to go rest. You go give yourself rest of mind. Since you don't have peace, you don't have rest of mind, give yourself peace of mind. Stop fooling yourself. At your age. Mind business way. Then why am I a business way? Can you imagine, my people? The most painful part, my people, she will come and say that be routing, making mouth. And this very person where they make mouth. If you look at, you know, these slippers. If you look at, there is nothing good. No. And she know how to bully people. She know, Mona, you people should ask her. Wait till Karen on social media. All those people that she is bullying today, ask her, what did they do to her? Nothing, no. Nothing. But she like to bully people. She like to use insulting word to people. But when you give her only one, you go, they cry. She go, they cry, my people. Please share the video, my beautiful people. She go, they cry. I will beat you up. I will lock you up. You want to gem the year. We want to see the fine daily bread. Now you want to go lock person up for UK. Hi, Jesus Christ. If I see the way some people take the rake for this media. Oh, my God. The way they talk, eh? see I go say, now today go say, try me, and see the way I will drink you up. Yeah. Yoruba go say about kekere about jakpo for. Who be that, my dear? Who be that one? There are blog page. Yeah. I'll find I'm gonna help me see, I'm gonna let me know. If you comment again, I'm gonna let me know. And if I block and I not go block you join. I'm gonna not reply him again because if I block and I not go block you join. If you know I'm gonna leave a reply. I'm gonna leave a comment so that I'll feel comment for here. You don't want it to be watching me. You don't want her. So you need to go. I'm gonna leave and make a comment so that if I see I'll remove her here. When I not the reply with comments. So that me I not go block you join. You understand me, my people? Not distract or not so they be there everywhere. Avec rien. Et mon amour ya. Et viaz. Hey, my people, you try me. You the pump. Now I say, try me, and see the way I'm going to do this one. I say, the power you're the shaka big. I say, hey, mama no ka say do, dede na girl. This one I dede na girl for Facebook. Na it be dede na girl, not be Africa Last Lady when be a dede na girl for YouTube. I own na dede na girl for Facebook. Her name. Hey, yeah, thank you. If it fits me, wow, thank you, my darling. Thank you. Hey, and I saw now. No, man, he want talk. He say, Jolosi no good, sha. He say, Vera, they wear rubber hair. Vera na sponge. Now sponge, you won't call they wear human hair. Me never see better human hair for your body or even for your head. I never see. Vera, they wear in rubber hair. If I even wear rubber hair as I did, it's not good. When I hear away boni wa bona lara visual, but when I hear away bonati we did not date uko. Then we gisho Brazilian we jo abi human hair abi bone straight. Oh we gisho na ne yo managi heme. You try me and see the way I will prepare you. Try me and see the way I will lock you up in UK. Oh, Jesus. Now this one make they not even agree me some of them work follow them for parliament. Because if person like this woman work for parliament for this country or for any other country, like, thank you, my darling. Thank you, Francisco. Thank you. Thank you, my dear. Can you imagine? Now what it made they not agree to all those this kind person. When they not agree the entire parliament, you say na racist. Don't be racist, so because this kind of person in my country, in my area. You know, since I see that, I be like lady when they are office. You see me wara. How many picking you get, Seth? Or meha? Or na ye Look at me. Just look. Want see something? Go ahead. And then the conjure. You see that? You see that? You see me? You see me? You see that? You see how? You see how they come my people make I drown. Wait, they not see go screenshot because I mean I need screenshot it. Not be say it's here. I just want to tell you. I just want to tell you, baby. You see me? You see how? How do I look? My baby. Oh, baby. You see how? Where? Me hake can wear wabie. Una wa ye na akpu bele. Una ye na akpu bele. Hey, Jesus Christ. Hey, come on, people. Ubege shapey. You see him? You see that? Ubege. Check it out. Erita no gia. Check it out. Snap. Wa gia. Amona muria. When I wear. Nite la live video iwe iye moswa. Iye ba ifo ko da juk mo ne pe ma ko be live video. Ima o fe ko wa hewe when I wear. Before I start live video, I dey bath, I go look where. If we are dressed, Ni no get a person matter one hold me when I want wear my front and this my shirt as if far rich. Rita, bring your shirt, come and say my ball Lara bitch. When you go come make me come wear front of shirt, and this shirt you're fine now. I you wear the front, I cannot go back, carry back come front. You need therapy. You need therapy. You need that. You see me? I'm not too fat. Sometimes when I near camera, you say, you they see me. You see, huh? Ladzia, bon la jouer. Wazaga. Please don't off it, please. Check. There your nose. Juice. You see that? Baby, eating it tonight. My baby. Yeah, boy. After children or after kids, see, when I sit down face, when I did, as maybe I face a camera, go be like say, see, you see me? I'm not fat because I don't gym. I dey take medicine. That's tea. I dey take them. You understand? See my belly. I not wear see. I not wear anything no. I not wear ghetto. Call use ghetto tabela. Come poo. You see, they say as Gaelic, a lady gallant. They say as he gallant. They laugh. You don't need to laugh. No, let to be frank and sincere. If you dey show blind person something, you need to show am for aware. Deaf. They say if you dey show deaf person will not dey hear word. If you dey show am something, you don't need to come dey describe and show am. Get my man and I wear beg go nothing. Get my say you go show am where say na it be this. Rita beg. You wear this kind of dress and come out. Okay. You see that? Ube uku warranty. If I snap, wanna snap on. Wanna snap on, please. Ikape. Go everywhere. Come outside. Yes. Yes. Oh yes. Check it out. You see that? You see that? You see that? Kokobiri wife. Okay, Kokobiri. Omeha. Uye vuede. Ome tiri bigini. Uye lakwa. Uye nage dedu uya. You see that? Uya. Uwe go. Uwe. Vera de wear rubber hair. Leave on. Since na rubber hair for your eye. But people when they get eye, no be rubber hair. Leave on for me. More will do competition. You see that? No ghetto. If I wear ghetto, no, my leg go flat. They see they see who could warranty. Who could warranty? They see Can you see that? Can you see that? Can you see that? Can you see that? They laugh. Well, they laugh. No, if you dey show person something where he don't deaf, we not they hear word. You need to show am well. Because if I not see stand up now, show am well now. Later I don't say come on, come. So that who want to snap, they snap. No, I'm very tired. He the pain. In fact, you know the hear word. So if you want to show am something, you need to show am well. We're not begging because all here way. Baby mama. Can you imagine? Can you imagine? Oh yes, guys. You see that? You see that? You see that? You see that? When I go see this woman go wear sweater, you go make pa. Sweater don't shop finish. They see my shirt. They see him. They see him. They see him. You see that? La beg, Mona tell her if you did live video, make it stand. As I then I don't expect today say I go stand though. Let me be frank and sincere. But I stand now. When I'm Muria. Oh, two call you the enter at once. Hello? Hello? Hello, I'm live video.
Yeah, is that better?
Yeah, I'm on live video.
Yeah. What can be the problem, sir?
Who call you for here? Tafia. They call you for here. They call you here. Hello?
Hello.
Hello, they live video. Are they live video?
And I mean they call you. No be the one. Now the one we say they do live.
No. I said they live video. I will hear you.
Okay. I know.
Okay. Not the disturb. Will they hear you?
I want to talk.
Will they hear you?
I see say you dey saga that Kokobiri mama. What we know they even talk when person want to sagara. The talk when they talk not dey make sense.
Can you imagine? Now yeah, lovely. Look. It's a lovely talk. They go they find record up and down. They find record we want play.
Okay. I look at now. What I want to sagara. The live video when I don't do that, it don't do.
Now, mommy, lovely they talk. I don't know. Not veg. I don't know. I mean, I have the same mommy lovely.
I look at finish. The one when I want to sagara, he don't follow me wrong enter there. I check it background. He said the background
he don't ask for road.
Black half cast day. This something make PDP. Yeah. You know, okay, as it come be now, they play my recording. Now my recording now I contain the Sankara.
Yesterday I get as it be now. Analyze it because they do, my sister. And I mean they talk so. They say that for me where they play your record. They do.
YouTube goes along. Come on, make all you chess it down. They play.
Yeah, that one not.
No. People will say, lovely, you don't the craze. Now your life video you they play for your work. It don't make sense.
It don't make sense. Can you imagine? Now that one because they play. Now they call they read for.
The nation, A family wey just there as all of them are different nationality. She come from Nigeria, half caste come from Greece. The first pikin come from Congo, the second one come from Zimbabwe. The man when they marry Zimbabwe. This saga no dey sweet. If the one run come out, it is if he come out, person come leave her. The one wey saga yesterday.
Yes, it
is
me.
enough.
Yes.
Give her, tell her say, make if I want to take off that half caste. Now that half caste man dey pit inside.
Everybody marry Oyibo born for black. Don't carry pikin go give Oyibo. Oyibo go take a you na. Oyibo na break with side mirror. A black will give more get no go out. Yeah.
Now when they say suffer for Oyibo house, when they say that way do Oyibo house, Oyibo dog they lick it to you never hear. I don't get information. Maybe they just drop for there.
Hey! Can you imagine? You know, say they do blah. Oh my God! Oh, but this man come on, yeah.
Please, the saga says, you know, they sweet me now. Say,
I like the way you see they give her.
I like the way you see they sweet me. I don't look at background. Everything when they background, na sorrowful.
Yeah.
Na sorrowful. Now she get. Now he make she go run enter Kokobiri. And after one Kokobiri, enter another one. Eh? You get a CP.
But she supposed to my lady. She supposed to hide herself now.
Now the man hit her, told them hit themselves. Now there, now their love start. Their love begin to they start. That's all. Their love they start. You see?
Nani. You know I tell the talk nani. If what when they talk, you not clear. Can you imagine? But she not they hide herself now. If that kind of person is supposed to park where? Why park where? Maybe responsible people see roads. You not see the
way when you now inside house cloth now you just wear and see the way when they fit you.
Oh,
she go wear t-shirt, she go wear short hat, she go wear long sleeve.
Only
3 cloth.
For one body.
He said make carry up it up. Nice he said the cloth don't hear. If that woman hair really normal, the cloth where she want iron, she dey iron and she don't know say the armpit. It's she know the iron cloth where see the one where you wear body loose. The body
so you go for use pin. Big pin say hold. Big pin. Although ya hold it we jeve, na hu mi. Wetin
the body they don't lose, they don't expire na second hand cloth now.
When they look for
knife second foot.
It don't tire, the cloth say don't tire. Ay, Jesus.
She know the make sense. She felt on that day. She dey play video. She dey play this one video. She dey play that one video.
People video they go dey
analyze.
analyze.
They follow her now. It go be like say the person don't know what they do. He no get talk for mouth. I for say make I use her stupidity take run.
I believe you. I trust you. He said go no say kaki no be leather.
No ya gba oge half cast ni e wa bẹ̀rù we ku ìwọ̀n ni. Half cast ni Nigeria ya hiyo. Ona Senegal. Mi na Burkina Faso.
Ew.
Wait for father. Is this first father no read that girl ni? Rita Eta si Lawa. Oh. By this time, I leave you. Say, make I tell you, say, if you do this live video, feeding no photo like it because you know here they are no good. Here they are no spoil. Don't say now when something there now they spoil. I read there nothing there when I want spoil.
But we love you said I'm wait for the day they spoil. Oh my God, Islam taking me. He reached my darling because if you see her, you know they hide herself. If you not see kitchen when she for the cook all weird. Oh,
everywhere, opa. The rubber when it they do soap, you don't finish, you don't go through where. The day when I see kitchen, so who did this kitchen? This one they rubber. Maybe I want to see you kolobo.
You go dey pack upagolo picnic cup. Na wa kun ya buy na e go kun ya wa. Ay, thank you, my lady. You do well. Your network.
You know? Nothing there when I want spoil. Everything when they don't already spoil.
Don't spoil. Don't enter one chance very
good. Inside the Kokobiri, now I have cast day. Inside Kokobiri children, I have cast day.
Please, dirty.
They have cast in it. You don't know your papa uncle. You don't know your papa auntie. You don't know your papa grandmother. You don't know your papa father. How? By this time, I leave you. If you talk this one, finish not talk again because I'm managing in a kayak because they cannot hear Oriane. Don't spoil.
Oria, what's your
name? Oria, everyone now. Where you rest? Where rest? Me when men come when where you rest? Nothing there. You know say, oh na me ya to, na me ya delay. Me reva.
Unoje. Na match day. Or you unoje woman.
Na match day. She's frustrated. Laundry, they wash house. Now she they make up food, they sit down for live video, they talk.
Not true.
I say now people with that time when I do that live video, now people like when they don't get smartphone that year, now then they wash her man. I bet they wash her. May I leave you my love?
Thank you,
continue.
my darling. Okay, my
do not finish very come on. They don't say talk to if you that they say they call Sarah.
Now that one call the warrior. No, yeah, the warrior.
Well, if you do this one, you know, man, because me, I don't see what you want. Mommy, you can't move here because if you know what you cut them, no need. La, every day running work, I'm moving, and I may trust you when now.
Where's your boy? Yeah, why we home with my sister? Thank you, my lady. Thank you, yes, ma'am.
Bye.
Hello, my beautiful people. How not day? I hope not day fine, my lovely people. They come, Jerry. Yes, so my people, you know. Now, March, they show na yeah, our big mommy sit so lovely when they carry record when they don't play. And I call they play up and down. They carry the record, they play up and down. Huh? When they carry records, and I call they play up and down. Now March day, unoje. Now March, now she day, my beautiful people. Only one go. I just na one they see. He go carry this one. Oh, job, no. Walk, nine. But this life is a thing where be say, If you know as your house be, not for the laugh people, not for the throw word give people, not for the insult people or one for the bully people. When you know say you yourself now manage you day. Naughty. She want your stock that day when she throw my give her head. She say, nah, walk. When she dey walk, now they give me. Now say he, wanna see person. The one when mama call the walk, who they call the give. She not see better to talk. She not see better to talk. Eh? Now go carry the walk. Which day you come here when you start walk when you not hear what? When they say now walk when you walk, now they give me. Yeah. It me be yaya hands down, baby no turning. Because what thing she is doing, she they force say she get bad marks. She the force say she shall be top. Where gwa? Like really? She yeke ya gwa. Is that when the wako? No, say he. Wanna see this one? The only mama call the works is how many years? Who they call they give? If you were have your can you imagine? She like to use word, use indirect word. They use babato, but when you know that if they want really come mash you now, mommy lovely talk. It's only some. Nothing. The most presenter, the most worsted presenter we don't see. When you carry front or shirt, go back, carry back, come front. When you wear clothes, sote, you can't, it's here. The only presenter we're gonna talk. Spit go the throw away for your pump, go be like boy hole when they pump, new boy hole when they dig. Spit, not get even though I talk nothing tomorrow. Nothing go make speak, come gather here, go gather here. No. When I the wash hand. At first don't get racko. Because they use bleaching cream. See they add bleach, they bleach all his skin, they bleach all her body. Can you imagine my lovely people? That kind of person go see mat when she sit there, they talk to person. See, they get mad when she wants to tell the guy. Yeah, plan a life you wear. You are about if you're cool. Go plan your life. I go feel when you know if you make it because where to do a Jack Backman who wears my baby social media. Not because they carry your paper body, call the proof for people body. Because not be me first time you may miss track now. Not be me first time you may miss track. No, I don't know one, not two. We don't know anyone. We don't know anyone. No be women cousin. No me say track. At the end of the night, you call the not live video, they exist. Me when I see coins, they may be first to wear like live video. Since 2018, me care. But what about you? Last year here, now you went out, here not hear word. Last year here, now you went out. You don't let person hear word. You don't let person hear word. They do up and down. Can you imagine? Can you imagine? Like seriously? Hi, Jehovah. If I look at Satan and say, what? What is this? Many people say the who presenter when you start yesterday. Sometimes clothes with this lady they wear. They know they wear them. You know you show yourself. It's not compulsory that you are on live video, you must show the clothes you wear. Sometimes I do blank video, I just carry face light. It's more better than because I don't feel called a fool myself for public. Do I full leg boy for no worry me to ya. This one not be like this. This one not be like tie. Go check on my video. No make it whether you see where my armpit got here. Go check out clothes when I don't wear. If you don't see the one with machine don't over wash. I can see they wear an entire live video. They make up on top. Yeah, wash it. Error. Then that kind of person will still come outside be making noise, shouting. Who you enter social media today as mommy love you at all. Now they say you be better people, you dey relevant. Nothing. My people, when I go see so many black who will get, they go mad, they go born for black. Maybe the black not can do well. Later they'll say they don't want fall for black again. They'll call they find Oyibo when they want born for. When you want marry them or when you want marry them or come adopt the children. But our case is not like that. Una bienebo, una momona amune black, una amu your way black still get black kokobiri. Now you cock oh galerio jaiva. When I might see a book mafo, your kitchen is stick. A kitchen what we are or safe to no get oh we go wash people kitchen wait there for the cook. Wait, go Go do research. Even me. Me the young woman to yaga live everywhere they need kitchen. What? But see, your wall alone for kitchen determine how you take dirty. If you don't know me, you know. Baking that white tiles and different tiles where they day one year way for the cooking determine everything about you. It determine everything. Oh, me second carry. You see where for the cook. Now then you want put what into the wash plate. Now then you want put soap on the wash plate. Now then you want put sponge. They not with me. They not with me. They know they tell you. You know they call food chapa. You cannot even settle down, prepare a good meal for your children. They do pacha. Social media not let you get it. You are losing it because of social media. You they lose some. And you also say people need therapy. Check out. They call my people. Where I put okay. They and he go say, this person need therapy. This person need therapy. This person need therapy. This person need therapy. When you not quite all right, you are the one woman no need the essay. Because a bema who wear a frustrated in the madam kawaya low when your mommy will carry you coffee, you use you. Really, it's affecting you. After use how many years they serve madam? It's too much now. It must affect you. Many people they do about your own icon was passed. Before she got to say, I get freedom for madam. I get freedom for madam. Hey, big guy. Body down. Hello.
Hello. Good evening.
Good evening. I'm live video on YouTube. On Facebook, I mean.
Yeah. I know, Sister Vera. Hope you are fine.
Yeah, we are fine. Thank God.
I want her to Rita the ugly girl when they claim so she's fine.
They hear you.
Rita, waiting good for your body safe. From your head to your toe. Not the hair. Your mate go do braiding. Or who wear it.
See here. You don't get hair for here. Oh, don't remove.
This place, when people they put for mask, when you see for some people mask, you go see a fancy thing. She put her, it be like all the teeth rotty. She still come out and the teeth, the lips, everything rotty. Rita, from your head to your toe, waiting good, nothing. And you then look yourself, say you be Odonga. Who you pass? You don't fail. No one they use your, they re-talk and not they re-talk and say, some presenter, some use frustration, depression, they enter live video.
Yeah.
Rita, you are one of them.
Yeah, not true.
Now, Rita are one of them. The people. But she know they know now. Now you get 3 children, 3 fathers. Now you want to analyze people's video. It's just a shameful thing. More than they live on a life like that. Now one I don't hold women where they born 3 nations.
When they don't hold, now they'll take no as they be. They are not, they say no man.
If you see Peking self, they ask us as Mama Lovely talk. They ask us when people say they make shakara. Now they make some of our women don't say they want to marry the Oyibo self. But Rita I don't know, you do like all those Fulani when they beg for ring road. Rita, go and work on yourself, please. And stop seeing yourself like the warrior. Who you pass, you not pass nobody. You know, you have to humble yourself. We're not getting here what I'm at direct where Rita Lawa, because you come from Upper. And that's una area Upper. Now Upper direct. Rita, the ticket in Upper direct. Lawa the Germany. Go to Upper direct, go to 3 hours when they for know you.
Hi.
Nobody know you for this Germany. Now you just the talk. When you the laugh, say people, the money when you the work, then when you Germany, when I work.
Now that one you're there for the stupid one with their life don't frustrate. And they work that money. If you talk and make it out, with their life don't bear.
Now me get Germany. Any woman when come Germany say na still on school, you not say not be direct to Germany.
Can you
They
imagine?
just come here, just come to play around. Then they say who come. Tell me how many years? More than how many years she don't stay for Germany?
Ask me.
When she talk, say, now the money. Not be the money where people walk down.
No be the fair giver.
Seek asylum down.
Okay. Let me ask
When you
her.
seek asylum, not be the money where people walk down. Not be they say they feed you.
Ask her.
But you don't get 2 legs. Now, who know whether the 2 legs don't even complete? You they make noise. Who know you?
I tell you.
People when don't walk, now sacrifice. People make the sacrifice down.
Okay.
You benefit from
The
it.
meat.
And then you wait. People will never walk today, they will walk tomorrow.
I just
And then
tired.
they say, now nothing more that they go walk immediately. Because all your 3 nations, they don't grow small. You don't use the kokobiri, take onto your, you know, say, one they like themselves. If you not shit, they feel they clean the yash with their tongue. One another, like, una Nigerian men, not they like all those ones. Una people will not know. Christmas goes, now I carry put for us as men, as husbands. If the man your cow, you not go even know where his destination is. You not go ask them your colleague who go for Kokobiri. If they cow, they don't cow out.
There a long time, of course.
If this man you go, and then if you know what is good for you, Narita, go know the man house for Zimbabwe because it go too tough for you. Zimbabwe men when they drink alcohol anyhow.
Can you imagine?
Now you can use your agbada picker. When you don't use that your nyash, imagine as your mouth be na so your nyash be. When you don't use that your nyash, when you go shit finish, you say your own one was lacking la loy. And you know say of via na don't gather for the madele. Na don't they make the mad the robot you they see say na the grease when you they cook for an make and the fresh. Your nyash water na they make and the fresh nonsense. This are go and hide them. Every benefit when you yourself, if you tell your children how much you they work, imagine they say they pay your children kindergarten if they get passport. That's if they get to imagine that they pay them kindergarten or whatever. You go fit work all the money when you fit take care of your own family. Without government no fit support you. Is it your own sweat that you used to take care of your own family? Nobody they do it. Except say you be self-employed. Even when you be self-employed, they still pay your kids kindergarten. Now you they work that one. That extra money, when they give your children, now you they work. If I thought say they get to, because all of them are combination, rainbow color. Brazil, Zimbabwe. Later you need to go work on yourself. You have rainbow this thing issue. Nonsense.
Thank you, my dear.
Thank you, my sister.
Can you imagine, my people? When they will take work on their self, they will do the kind of frustration, the concentration media. Now money when they work, now they give. The way my father-in-law don't they work for how many years? Who they give? Now I mean, as I said, the way my mom don't they work for how many years? Since 2018, I've been 2017 till now. That's why they talk now. They afternoon duty about Laravish work. Don't I give now? Who they call they give the money? Who they call they give? Because I imagine some people go your food there. I say, money you work. When you the work, they know they pay you salary. If now 5 years, 10 years you work, you won't collect your pension. The one where you physically gather when they say for you, they go give you. How you can't work for a person like that? Because if they want you sit down, talk, no say before, in that maybe they tell say, school major. Because they say you go school, they for tell you how they live for the country when you did. You not go school now. At what? You go one call as far. At what? Be nice. Now so that they call her. As far I ask Beyonce be fine. You know at what? Where to be at what? If you dey call her for a jam, then you owe you na go zuo because they don't name her that name when you dey call her. If you dey call her for say wetin this one they talk, they don't understand. They say they don't understand you. You call it say maybe na racist. No be him. Because wetin they talk as far I don't turn at why. At why. I don't get straight to laugh. At why? At why? What to be at why? Madam can say the teacher. Teacher not believable. Wait to be at why? Now you name at why? Go be at why? At why? Atwa. I go say, where did this woman they call Atwa? Atwa. Now say, yeah. As far daughter Atwa. Beyonce, you know if you call Beyonce where? Whether not be saying Beyonce, I bet they call Beyonce. Beyonce don't call Beyonce. Beyonce, be fine. As far. I ice. Huh? If you can head, you can answer the answer. She ne can mezoku. This can want teach person book. Nothing don't go make that person fake. A teacher where they teach. He raise it like this. Life begins at 40. He not gonna say happy. Abolorico call they happy. You see? Because if you are vigilant, you will hear the degree correct. You supposed to be vigilant when you face camera. Because you're supposed to see everything. But because of another person, depression where he had the by where kiza. You were kiza, and you get to work kiza. You know, come say your follow photo mark, and they say, cover your happy, that we screenshot, that we snap. Umagi home. Let begins at 40. Let come down at 60. Teacher can't cheat, so teacher can't lose guard for your school. So the teacher always say the correct person what say they call him? He school then we call the correct and say madam. When mo bosoto here saloloto. They call and say, madam, your boy auto, oh my home, yeah, they hot. I heard all the hot, you know the brister. Awa. Nobody come here and make it carry water pour for a body. You know they see life begins at 40, it come down. Life begins at 40, not come finish. They call they give a signal, madam, drop your hands. If people were in class there, in school, this is the way they teach, because they give, madam, your boss talk, drop your hand. Bobone, baby, so, ute bobone, umage kenu dia. They call they give a signal. Life begins at 40, can't condemn with the teacher. See teacher when they teach person. Then they tell her, say, your hand, cover her, then they blink eye for her. Okay, on my home. Then they try to tell her, say, madam, drop your hand. If they see life begins at 40, life begins at 30. I be a video no and snap if I lie. Can't tell me say I lie. I heard all the hot. People be trying to tell and say, drop your hand, you are welcome, my darling Sandra, though. I heard all the hot. This is the same person will still come and say, he need therapy. He need therapy. Oh, why? Otherwise, I came in with a log in the bed. Do you share you join bed? Me no for as you can't day when you critical, I was sharing the in the bed. Because who will lose it? And I don't know where my ba. Go we can't get it on my ba. Or maybe get me a quaggy, oh, Daniel, drunk cannot read themselves, say he drink. Now, some mad person, no, they agree, say they colo. Lie, oh. Even though they don't, they go pepper, liquor, say, the colo, go say, no, you know, the colo, go say, no, the person, they colo. Maybe also. Maybe also. You know, drunk, even though they stammer like this, you don't drink to stupor, don't they come like this, you say, why you drink? And you go say, now you drink. That example drink or your eye is deceiving you. Where one know where belega where they we got that. Oh wow for when all when are you drink before drunk I say he say he drink. Oh man one he not drink no na your topper. He can never say you they fall for inside gutter he cassava they do felle like they always man he go say that mistake go see they try to zip the trouser he go do like this. Chest time. You go do like this. And then I wuno. Always so why you go, you know, go let person rest, go see they carry you to they disturb everybody. They'll say, Etas, go sleep. You go say, what are you doing there? Etas, go sleep. You do hard labor. I be tell you say you drink. He not go ever agree, even though you say they smell, they vomit for body. Always now you they drink, always now you drink. Always when that word when you they talk, you all clear issue you. All gonna hina na own be so kokobiri mama. He go say when that word when they talk, whether he miss anyone, whether not be you be person. Now you drink. Not tell me say no, you drink. You are a drunkard. Yeah, too we're drunkard. So we a man too we drunk and name will not be you go they give you go they label you starter. He go they tell you say now you he if you not come pitch yourself, may you come up for that. So tell now you already the smell the drink because the next way you go do go get off for share with force. He go have me he woo. All the one way that they carry this thing before, you go carry go turn off for the person body. The person will carry the smell trick. They go. The person go carry the smell drink. Go now say we buy to akpa o ma pa ta fi agbo to o ma we man wan do wait on one we wia na nia o wa here eju egbe we ma we anyon we aga we say go be like na chemical e go be like na gamali na name na the person drink and you all go call even worse part because for you to advise yourself pitch yourself say it's time for you to leave am since he say no agree say he drink you all na to waka leave am because he can never accept. I beg if I dey lie right here. Emekwe, o danyo emekwe me kagi yeme. Best way they wacko. They ever they talk say you know see one way happen for France that way they ask the woman so what they do you better say you know where. He said that the person no way. Say whether you tell and say you know where. He go come shiny eye again if you not take talk back back. If you don't run for hotel, if you punch your eye, now that time you go know say Jesus is Lord. You just need to the run. He don't tell you say no drink. He tell you say in your way. Where wale. You don't know say he don't pass, be careful. You can't use yourself take your last. Now I won't be so. She can never talk say you were. Erere ye magba. People that have eyes, they know. And she is the person that say you depressed. Who felt depressed before they talk say you depressed? When they be like drunk as I talk just now. They can never accept. Who need therapy? Go tell you say na need therapy. He go say and task now what they say to say. He go say now you. Now so no reckon. Only wash your need right back balog in the bed. I don't know they no have your nueva. To the matter to no worry you talk. I wash shiny work in the bed starter. You know to your tie you job about tie work in the bed. I give you one olode a boy everywhere go reformat everywhere agba. Useless set of people. Now people video now she call the carry up and down and they analyze. You know, you get topic before. Now you say carry my own forehead. Okay. Ask me whether I not get right to cry for my video. Ask me whether I not get right to talk with I want to talk for my own platform. They say which matter they talk. But if they are come, they will say I'll send you. But if they do your own, they not go talk so who send at that time. They will never ask, say, who really send them when they do it, they don't wait not concern at that time. They will sit down, they go, the only to tie us one ninyo weary. Yes, one ninyo far. You know weary. Now, be so. Can you imagine? People when see born for the one Nigeria, where they are two picking, two children, two father. Our own is the most worsted on earth. 3 country, 3 passport. It's good. This time around, now you cannot really feel it. If you don't they hold when you don't they boy, you also don't they use punch, they punch you. Yeah, why do you wearing a gilly mark, but we ain't new because I when I with it. Well, I said why we were born. Why vianjo why a seterita why viave mona biene Gana why viojo why because I said when I were born I when I view more where I know or pick the house. Where is my daddy? Your daddy is in Cameroon. Your daddy is a Zimbabwe. Your daddy na enemy. Oga buek baba o. Make me an Arabian. Oga punch you. Now that time you tell us say kakeno, but that time it's too late. Where you know when you want find go talk. If you still be the same Nigeria, they go still good. And I thought you go see no parents. No, they tell them not they don't want here. How na even was passo because not be say she want fair know the direction where their papa dey. All those what papa don't fair delete long time ago. You marry your body again. Why you not go work before? No, not work. Now see, man, when you're born one picking for now, one can carry children when you picking when you carry come, you don't know where their papa pass. You have to work. Can't you know quite alright that man no fit come outside say na be the father of the children. You know, they know. You know, if he talk say na he get am, or make us do father shafts as a when you go cut a proof say na he be the father of those children. You know now. Where if one possible, who won't give you the paper? Who won't give you? So they're not quite alright. It's not the one. Why they carry a coke on the beer? It's not by for this Europe. Everybody carry a load. Papa they carry a load. Piki they carry a load. Everybody carry your cross. Now this abroad be. So they can never come they disturb you. Say come on. You need because you born one picking for I come. You must take care of these two picking. No. If you don't want that, they're not going to try. They're not going to try the 30 money. If you don't know me, you do. Yeah, that one. I said, if you want you use and pity you, they're not going to touch them. Because if you verse father paper when you take sign as a father, when you take say na papa, when they get no. Why that kind of thing go happen? They work. You need to go and work now. Who want help you take care before? Now me want help you take care. And we are bien 3 children, 3 father. Where may I go borrow? Oh, where in the work? You don't work before. As my now, I mean when I bought for my man and I ain't born all of the four. May not work, may not take up again. Merci aussi, anyway, aussi. Merci, yeah, it's aussi bad. Also, I didn't say it. Bien not bad, bien not bad. Where to you work here now, but I not feel aussi. Oh, when aussi, who will you see now? Who will you see? Enya worry time. All those ones there, more why you don't have peace of mind. That is the reason why you don't have rest of mind. When you come out, all you know is to come and bully people. Yes, because you are not happy. Because why? You don't have rest of mind. You know, you don't get rest of mind now. See the have cars when they carry they go inside the tea for the play. Walking out. What do you want to do? They bear them there now. You must walk. Take off your picky by yourself. Not take care. You're saying they work. You have to work and take care of them. When you open left for Sierra Leone, they open left for Gambia, they open left for Guinea. You don't know, say, how I go meet you. Now, this one with they talk. Another party they call now for this Germany. Now, many people now not go get sense. Some women want to get sense. So, born for Paul, born for Peter tomorrow. If this party enter, it can be say it's not going to pay for children again. You have to work for 3 picking when you born for 3 father. So, please, I beg, when you made the first mistake, don't let second one be a mistake. You understand? You born with your pick, even though 5, 10, you born for one place or born for 2 months. Even better than born 1. Emma, time really. Now when old days John they come, now you go take know the pain and the stress when the children go come they fight themselves. They talk say, go show me my papa. This one say show me my papa. They'll come they behave strange. They'll come they behave anyhow. Because this one a group normal. This one group normal. This one they'll come they do like picking when be say they not they way. But when they are one. You see, it's better. They will still have the feeling. You will still get the feeling. You understand? They have your feeling. But what they born and not, you know hard though. You know hard. Born not too. If time reach, when whole days don't they come, when they don't they get sense. Abroad now they make they pay people. Now no bogo now. When you carry belly board, they don't know the father. Though they laugh you now. No. Bogo now you want born first speaking. Don't know papa second. Don't know papa. Ooh, though they laugh you. You don't go try the 3rd one again. You can never. Even in the man at diamond, you go carry your TOT, you go soar. Yes. Because the laugh, when people go they laugh, you go they shame. Even if you be really know the papa, maybe the papa don't want to come out or you don't want to take care of the picking, only want the stroke. But at the time, that eye they go they use and take the look if you thought. They say they go. When they no more corner. You see, that one is now that one call even worse pass. Where what bioma coco mass where I don't have when go and breed DNA now make you belly. You know the shape. That is the most painful part. Only domase. So please, this country won't day now. The government won't change hand. Our women want not they do mistake again. If you be say you fair follow black here, not correct, it's not by fault to stay with man. Tie your TOT. That will not me say me don't they sleep with me. That will not me say me not they vandalize. But at the time, take prevention, go hospital, go do 2 years for body. So that if you want born again, no say you want settle. Now I make so many of our women now to see men they had them. Because many men not go want carry a woman when don't born 3 children, 3 papa. Many men not they carry for abroad. Even 2, 7 years. They'll say, we are not first one not good, second one not good, now make all good. That they run for you. Not be say you be get bad head. You be not get bad head, you be not be witch. But the mistake you made first time, you let it repeat second, 3rd time. That time they'll call they run for you. So the best thing. Nobody's above mistake. When you did a mistake first time, don't let second and 3rd be a mistake. Not born because a government they give money. Because government is going to change hand very soon in this country. The country, the government can come say, oh, yeah, everybody go and work. Now that time you go tell no say, if you can't draw the different papa, can't take care of your pikin, you go hard. But if now one you born her for, it can't come to an instance. Oh yeah, papa, mama, oh yeah, mama go work. It will be easy for both of you. That time, mama they go money duty now. Feed day money, he go day night. If you know, will they change our shift? You know, go two key body. But only you now taking care of 3 children, different father, looking for them up and down. They're not there the country where you dey. I want to draw them money. Who want help you? If they even dare you another Europe, say if they call, they say they're not go pick or they'll say, the time when they enjoy the money alone, you don't remember me now. You won't call they call me. They'll say they're not going. With the same now, it's happening already. If you call, they call the that. They'll say the time when they collect the pikin money, they pursue me up and down. You don't know say, see Anna, first that time all the money we don't eat, you call the vomiter. They are like that. They don't give easily. You say they don't give you. You must work too. Especially when, as the be say, one change and now beg. No try. If you all do first mistake, second one, not let them be missing. If you they put right there, if you they verse you, you know, say some of them they don't like truth. You understand? So what you just have to do as it did now, my beautiful people, if you have made first mistake, don't make second one again. Don't make second one. Just try to take good care of yourself, so that next time. If you can't see better man when one put you for us, then you can settle down with the man. You feel go settle down with them. That time you go feel put you for us. Say different papa. You feel the verse. They put red head. Now you know. Country now. This country one day now it will change hand. The country can say no. They pay. You don't want me anybody sit down for her. They lock body for his house again. Go and work. You need to work for yourself. That time you can see and say it's not easy. So now be the thing. So you can take it or you leave it. That is left for you, no? No, many of our people, they don't like truth. When they tell the truth, you go, they verse them for body. My own, you feel laugh me, but my own still good, eh? As me day for this country, they not go shake me one day. He ask mama a day morning or a day at night. Me go day morning, and even at 4 hours, I go feed you. But only you want to take care of children, you can't get us a bit, no? The guy, they tell they do something. But at the end, the time when you cut it, they call the papa, and that time you call, they tell you, say, first go do DNA test before I go know if I'm my pikin, because I don't want stress, call the pay money. You see? Is that not a big shame? But not a shame, when you know as a woman, your son not the blue water. Ask me, then a man ask me for DNA. You know, go hard me. Now, man, a father, I say, go bring the DNA. Yes, me and I go there now. We'll go there, we'll go do so that everything will clear, so that if you want to help, you go help. No fear. So now make if you get man, maybe the man not they know they sleep here, so that it can bust anytime, so that you can stand as a woman. There is one video when this man do for Nigeria, this human rights advocate, when they did Nigeria. So there is one thing when the man carry the man know, but he won't just fool the woman for public. May know whether he get the picking. Carry the woman carry and call them because they give you picking money. At the end, they say not be get picking. For Nigeria, let me they tell you so. Maybe the video may not go watch her. Whether the Dari, the man named Nadari, the Yoruba, 2 of them Yoruba, the man named Nadari, watch the video. When the man they say not be getting that woman swagalicious native, I they call her swagalicious native daughter. Now a place now they be the human rights advocate now then. Now then, the woman got to go do the DNA, although they pay or the man pay. Go do and come. But like that, they maybe not be the man get picky. You see? The woman said already fed a shake for them. They say the way the woman take they call the DNA, you don't understand. You don't understand. But the time when the woman call they call and say now he get picky. The man self can't shame. But if now some things will be say body go use body touch body, now disgrace that woman, that man be when you disgrace that woman for present of people. About 3,000 something were watching that day. You know? And not be people when you want to watch the video later when you go know am. You see? But God so kind when he do the DNA when he call them, because he say now he be the real father of the pikin. Now the man shame call catch the man. The woman call the verse. Now then the woman cause make it beg the woman. You see? So now be the thing, my people. You have to be anything you are doing now. You have to be very sure, because future anything can happen. Anything can use body touch body, so that you feel bolora. If the man what they do, she like tell you when who bole bolwa, who see you go draw. Yes. So that I'm not going to pay it, shock you for me. I say, oh, I don't know. If you're talking, muku balele, Yahweh. So that if you don't do it, you will see where bolora. In fact, you feel so and put for why. But if you can't be say, come accuse you, now you can't really come when you see her. shame go come the cash, even if you know 2 years not hear or people not hear, you call the shame. So why am I saying this? Is for some ladies, I beg. If you the date man, you all know the actual one. Not they follow here, they put for here, they put for here. So that tomorrow, anything can happen, so that you can stand as a woman, you can defend yourself anywhere. You know, that woman said, now you give her belly. He said, now you get this pikin. The man said, yeah, I don't think, because that time, because men are deceitful. Men are wuru, wayo. And that time, I can't trust you when you want to travel. You can't travel. You can't use that one cover face. And when you call the travel, I marry you, not because of travel, now I marry you. But when you can't get the belly, call the travel, and whether not because before you get the belly, whether not after you can't get the belly, but that period, you call the travel. It don't turn on, Now, may you take the play. Or take fear, it don't turn on, It don't turn against the woman. Nah. But what happened? The woman tried to defend herself and say, okay, if you be like that, you are free to do it too. Do one, bring her. The woman can't do it, because he say, now he be the father. Shame, call catch the daddy. Call the carry face the hide. Now, Polo, you come outside. Now let my face one show. Polo la diyan. I drown. Just that the woman is a peaceful woman, then only she can't they cry. You know? Cry of joy. Because they hide face, because many people were not angry about her. Say, why are you like this? Why you be like this? Why you be like this? This man a bad man. This man a bad man. People call the verse for the man for that platform that day. Why you be like this? Why you be like that? So the woman defend herself. So now you call them, yeah, thank God. And now the woman asked and said, so you were doubting. It can't they see they change them again. Maybe you see men when they lie, some of them. It can't see they change them again. Not that really. Now you say, not really, but you insisted. Say they must do the DNA. Why should I be not really again? Because why? The woman don't prove I'm wrong. That's the reason why I now turn the table around. If not be so, if you don't disgrace the woman. So now be the thing, my people. So for those people when they tell say, I walk, now walk and walk. Now shut up your man, not talk him again. I will be tired. Because as she then she not get better advice when you want to give women. You were born for three pikin, not be even three father, self when we go see years in the same country. Or na different papa. Which advice you get to give somebody? You don't have. You don't get good advice when you want to give. I mean, I don't do mistake before when no want do mistake again when they say, oh, he need somebody to talk to. He be need person when he want to talk to. Now he will call you. Which advice you get to give such person? You not get. Because if you go reason your own not even worse pass her own. So you need to just off your day. You no need to call you call the user and until they disturb you. You understand? When advice in the wedding, you know, man, you don't have. You don't have advice when they give people. Now you don't call even worse pass. Not be the same country, 3 passports. So now, so my lovely people, thank you very much, my people. Thank you, my lovely people. God bless you all. Thanks for watching. Please, what when I talk for, I know so many people go the verse say stay with one man. You all know they say I born on take way no run my heart. I away now. What they on mind will take do something. Me as I do, so I don't get strength to take carry pikin call the trainer give man tomorrow. The man go come us after the pikin don't dey well because say I'm the father. Ubanu. Iwon tini o se eni na bia ni pia ibie no pa le ni bie no pa ko iwon rion ya ko mo no pia me ti momo ye ko bie ne idegbe do sunwe no o se menu mi na ye ko bi me ko pa de mi no kasunu o pa pa abie le ime na because I seti my va eti ko ke no ma o ye we me do bi omo fo ne ido amu lagbo ki amo pa do akoko mo I sabo I no fit. Yet, also, man, be different. Nive biogia e kokpa ni ve kokpa owe ma. Only we say. I wait today do mistake, tomorrow do mistake, next tomorrow time people call you say now only one they do mistake. You know, they not gonna say not be your fault. They'll come they put blame on you like say now you be bad person. But you need to say this thing like this is not good. Then you have to put full stop. You understand? Because especially people when they wear me this so now they talk about this one who dey so party they change hand and those one when they come so say they go good and they not there after pikin cause they pay them maybe 1,000 or 100,000 100 euro 500 200 euro for 300. I don't think those one be like say you will go work as they do now. This party now for the free this thing for everybody. You have to struggle yourself. As I don't listen when I feel say they lie. Maybe if you can't really call to pass, I'll still can't tell you. This one not sure say you go lock people for us. If you born for different men. They'll give you money, they pay for us. I not think this one where they come so carry your cross, I carry mine. Now you go be. Now operation go and work. Operation find your this, even though they give child support. Maybe not go too much. Oh, thank you, mommy. Hope. Bye bye, my lady. Maybe not go too much. Maybe Phoebe say now small, but you know, reach like before again. If you say go the word, they pay your house strength. They'll call they give you small things, join small. Maybe oh, maybe. Yes, so everybody at that time everybody will come there, you know. So I beg, as a day like this, egg down, not let any man call deceive you. I love you, I love you. No say men too, they be deceitful, they deceive past bed. But you as a woman, when you don't know, say that kind of thing don't happen to you. Not let man deceive you. Because men, if you be mocking you day up, if they deceive you, you go come down, you go collect them. You will say they be offering. Some of them, oh, not all. Why some are good? Oh, Mommy Emily, you are welcome, my big mom. Oh, bye-bye. Thank you, man. You understand? Sunday, good, but many of them not still good. And they say they claim, say our women not good, our women not good. Not be all women be not still good, no one still stay with man, no. Many na the men hand is still there. Why many men, they will deceive the woman, give her belly finish at the end, make it born and they'll gather train at the end, because they run up and down, they carry bag, they run. Ideo. So if you as a woman, why they talk go woman side, if you call no as a woman, say don't be like that. Don't let her happen next one or second one again. You understand? There's one woman one day, the girl where we go, she claims single mom. Since we enter this country, now let she come. He born first daughter. She say she na single mom, he don't know give her belly. They accept her. He see carry belly, he born second one, he don't know give her belly. They look her. The third one, he still born where papa he dey hide him. Now another person still give am belle. One day, na person disgrace am. People when they take off and I disgrace am say, "Shebi you be single mom. Why? How come? Who they give you belle?" You know that thing. He vex them. You understand? He vex them. You say, you don't see born another one. Who is the father? Who give you belle? Where the papa? You know, because it can't be like say the woman, they propose it, they do and say, after all, he born first, he born second, they accept, and second one, still belly. Then when they take her off and they ask her this question, crow. Yeah, this one will be said, they say, crow. They say, you say you be single mom. How come you can't see, don't see born another one? Good evening, you are welcome. Because he don't see born another one. The woman eye just pour for head. Say, he vex safe, he vex talker. Say, you don't born another one. But you say you be single mom, Abi. How come? Your verse, your waka come. But you see, that kind of thing now, you don't verse and say, okay, that means it's like maybe this person, the proposal they do. You understand? Because not so you born and one thing that they believe. So, okay, maybe you say na mistake. They fear accept you. So, okay, na mistake. Second one. You know, even for Bogon, I know if you say first thing a mistake, second thing a mistake, third thing a mistake. So the woman verse. He vex. People did there. People did there. He don't care. People did there. He say, why? Who be the papa? You see? Everybody was like, You understand? That kind of thing. I know that day, that lady was, it called a shame. You understand? That kind of thing, not good. And a person will be say, you know, if he thought to back. Now, a person will be say, not be black person, now we go ask you that kind of question. You tell and say, why did you ask me? Which tried you have to ask me such question? You understand? Not the person when you feel taught to say, why are you asking? A person will be saying, a person when they take care of them. You know, if you talk, you just only swallow spit. But at the time, we can't even feel and say she is shame. You see, that kind of thing not good. You understand? We don't say men not good, but at the time, if you follow men, Matt, the woman, now make woman, you will go for her. So you don't need to follow their sweet mouth. Men are liar, men are they will deceive you to an extent. You know, you go do what you're not supposed to. But normal, you born one, don't say I be. Go take prevention. Yeah. Take prevention. Put her for body 2 years. So that you can do whatever. If you want to see the fear cut you up and down, nobody go to disturb you. That time, you know, the fear say, oh, maybe let no go or go they run up and down, you know. Or go they come out the level all the time. You enter, you go come out, you enter, you go come out, you enter, you go come out. Then you just do 2 years. If you never want born, maybe you want to go school, want further your education, you can take 5 years. How much you want to pay? You only pay 30% of it. Then they'll do it for you. It's normal. You understand? So that you will have peace as well. You know? So when that lady talked that, everybody was like, oh. You know? You understand? You know, there are some things when be say person will ask you some questions. Person will be say, you know, go fit talk to you, know, go fit, and he asks you, know, go fit tell and lie. Because that question when that woman asked that day, you know, if you lie. Because if you lie, that vaccination when you ask that question, and as it takes excuse face, you can say, because he ready to ask how many questions that day. So now, because you're asking some questions, you're quickly you cut and say yes, now it should be here, now it should be. So the woman look and although she vex, but at the time she can't work out, you understand? Vex come out. So if you can't lie, that time you go say, because you can't ask more. You can't ask more that time. That time you can't go put yourself for problem. You won't go lie. You don't need to lie. It's better you say the truth. Understand? So now because I don't know say many of the lie still get one time. When you say which my baby I get that time, we can't go one place where we do dinner and dinner. They call they ask the woman for them, and still single mom. They call they ask them, because me, you know, they ask me question, they fair know my mom. They call they ask the woman, say, you, who give you belly? And at the same person when I see they talk, so you who give you belly? He say, now Dutch a man. He say, now he give him belly. Now he ask him again, say, Dutch a man? Jama man? He say, yes, Dutch a man. Now the woman look on like this again. Now he look on. As I see say people did there, it can't pass. My dear, when the woman born, he go born blacky. Not be even only blacky. He not even know the father. At the end, Kasala call the boss. You see? But he don't forget, because no say those people when they ask questions, you just say the question they don't forget oh. He did their brain. The fact as we come up for they don't even write her for ground, put her for inside wallet. When you call boy, call they hide. The day when I come see and one day, call they hide, they go and say, why this woman they run? You call they run. The person I lift here for see her, yeah. As you all see me, you can press the lead, and say, why this woman they run like this? Now one day I come jam and I say, body, say fine no. I say make I even check baby when he born. I say he black like charcoal. Me na not sabi ask question. If you go there answer how you come waka. Now you suffer for live. And later we come dey hear discuss up and I say, who tell you? Even know you see that one now they don't still keep the record for that kind of person. So you don't need to lie. Be yourself. Now mistake, tell them you don't know. You know try them again. You go take prevention for this one. You don't know. So then you go they lie. So that kind of person when they lie now, they feel not tell them what they'll do and put. They feel not torture them. You know. They can look you for many years, they not go talk to you, but wait for they wait for you, they wait for you for them. They don't say definitely you must use your leg work on them. So now be that thing, my people. So I beg my lady, the feed there now they verse. You don't need to verse. Now be woman, not say sometimes when they tell our people the truth, you go they verse, but you don't need to verse you. Because it's not easy to become a mother, carry pikin, only you want go stress. It's not easy. Especially for this abroad, no help. Help, not there. Only one go do. And they give the hand though. Cause me, he sexy. You know easy. Only one go come there, single mom, come do, come born. Even they say the man they hide, they come safe. You know if it be like say you are at their house, maybe say sometimes you have a sleepless night, no if you sleep. Who you be no tak bagbe. I mean sometimes now you buy the shot for midnight because he ate it alone. I not fit. I carry all the shot because so that made the sleep still clear for so that made the sleep self still clear for your eye. Since the day belle, you two not fear me can. Only way when we go sit distract you, now be that one. Make me and you they receive the hit. Only one then they try. They try well, no easy. So that instead go see they receive the hit. If I dey hospital I born, I they carry that tell on that day. If they carry them, we not get friend when one go give. Yeah. Me no as e be for body. No be me go cause suffer carry for belle come born at the end. Call the find the hospital. If they carry until I go come back, you go cook come. All wawe. So I beg our women. There are some things we be say many of our women still they lack. We don't say men that they deceitful. Some men still they use our women. Some men the way they'll take shots they do self. No, not fear. The only thing there is just understanding. We will never understand on ourselves. So go then they say they fear the man, they not fear they the same house. No, not fear. You understand? So far, may you try to understand, more understand on yourself. Now don't understand on yourself, you don't finish. You know the fear again, not go come they make you the bother again. That time I can't even understand on yourself more. You understand? So now be the team, my lovely people. So I beg, take the one when it's good for inside, the one when you don't sweet you. The one you know say no sweet, you want make you vex, you can still drop it aside. Take 1 or 2 when it good. Take that one and do something. And it's not by force to use and do something, but at a time you fit see only one thing when still sweet you for all the whole matter when the talk says. You understand? So now, so my lovely people, so I call the live on now. God bless you so much. You understand? So no say I be women, I the pity you now. See now, no insult, no yeah. About for that one we head not correct, we call yourself Kokobiri wife. I don't have another insult give it to our women, no. So guys, thank you very much. I appreciate you all. Thank you for watching. Thank you for being here. And thank you. Please don't forget to follow my page, guys. And so I beg for the cream when I they use this Perfect Global skincare. If you need them, you need the cream, contact me. Contact me. My number there, my platform here, so that you can have it. And this CT Super Life CT for diabetes, for high blood pressure. It work for many things. Understand? It work for many things. When it be say you go fit use and put, you know. The show now. STC, I first show now that this medicine STC 30 Super Life. STC 30. If you know say you need them, you can call me. I will send you the number. It's good for diabetes, it's good for high blood pressure. You understand? It's good for all system for body. You understand? Not too cost, very cheap. When it be say not be one go they run up and down for hospital, you can afford it, no cost. So the lady day France. So if you need the number, contact me. Although the number put her for one video when I do one day. So you can get the number from there. You can call her. And for the cream, you can call me as well. And for you still need Weavon, you want buy Weavon, you need human hair, bone straight, any type of hair you want, you can contact me. Then I will give you the number. Now the lady where they sell cream, now she they sell hair. But for the STC 30 Super Life, right? Yeah, Super Life. That one another lady for France. This one they gem here when they sell cream and organic cream. Ogbon get organic cream when it be say you go use, your body go day well, go look good, you go look fine. Not the one depends on how your body take day. When I tell like her own, when you get dry skin, she gets. When you get oil skin, it will give you dry skin. When you get dry skin, it will give you oil. So it will ask you the skin when you get. If you still be black, you still know the one when you go do when you go buy. And not be see organic cream. You go buy, not go work for you. No, you understand? So that you go look sweet, you go look all your body go day smooth. You understand? So she they say, and you need any type of hair when you say you want still look good for this summer, you need hair. She they say as well, any type. When you call her, she can send you all the pictures you need. Then you choose. Then you will send and come give it. So for the cream and for the hair, you can contact me. Even for this STC Super Life, you can still call me and ask for the number. It will work for high blood pressure, diabetes. In fact, for all body system, if your body they get as they do you, if they work that STC, no cost. You can afford it. It no cost at all. You can buy 1 pack, you can buy 2, you can buy 4 self. If you want me last you, take them long. Now medicine will tell you how you take them. And for this thing, for the hair, for the organic cream, you need beautiful hair. You want to look sweet and look beautiful for this summer. Our lady, you need to look fine for this summer. I know as they go now. So when you call me, I will send on the number. Then you can contact her. So now know as they be. So where I all take good, guys, you know, the organic cream come with sets, now 10. But at a time, if you know you cannot afford it, it's not some people when they sell organic cream, you must buy all of them by fire, by force. No. I own and wait till be say when your money reach, maybe you need black soap and only the white skin, white body white, or you need this, or you need clean. You know, the way it depends on how you take it. Just let her know. She go tell you then, go tell you the price. It's affordable. Even the hair as well is affordable. You understand? So you can still afford it. Maybe you can buy hair. If you don't buy the hair and the cream, you can still buy one. You understand? So for the Super Life, STC 30 Super Life is good for your body. You go make your body fresh. You go they look good. Your body go they smooth. You go they look boy. So guys, I'm about to go and eat. It's 10:30 guys to 11 guys. So guys, thank you very much for watching. Thank you. And please don't forget to follow this my page, Vera television program, while my YouTube name is Vera TV program. So thank you. Thanks for watching. Thanks for being here. God continue to bless you all. Please don't get it twisted on my advice, a little advice I just leave right now. So you can take some and leave some. Understand me? That type of person, I know they beat woman for man, not they beat man for woman. They always talk where the mistakes most more day. You understand? So not let them verse you. Yeah, my big mommy, good evening, man. So don't let them verse you. Mommy Abias, good evening, man. You are welcome. So not let them verse you. Take the one when it good. You can still take a little, it will still help you. You understand? You will still say, this thing, you need to, you still, you wind back, say no, you are going too far. You understand? So take the good one, leave the bad one there. You understand? So guys, thank you very much. Thank you guys. Thank you everybody. All right, I'm about to go now. Bye. Have a sweet night. Have a sweet dreams. Tomorrow now to Wednesday, guys. This week don't stay, they go. And so many people. So thank you. I'm about to go now. Bye.